Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which browser and version you use so you target the right settings. Next, make a quick backup of bookmarks and note extensions so you can restore anything accidentally removed. Open the browser settings and go directly to PDF, content handlers, or site permissions. Once done, locate the built-in PDF viewer toggle or handler override. You disable the viewer here. This stops inline rendering and prepares the browser to download or use an external app instead. Now you change the actual handler behavior and manage extensions so PDFs no longer render in the tab. In content settings, choose Download or select an external application for application/PDF so files save instead of opening. Then go to Extensions or Add-ons and disable the browser's PDF viewer extension or built-in module. Make sure it stays off. If you still want viewing, install a trusted external PDF app and associate it with PDF files. Finish by restarting the browser, then test several PDF links to confirm files now download or open in your chosen app. If you still see inline viewing, clear cache and site permissions, and check that the PDF handler remains set to download. If the viewer returns, inspect enterprise or group policies that can force built-in handlers, or reinstall the browser to remove stubborn modules. One key troubleshooting tip: if a managed policy forces the viewer, contact the administrator or remove the policy file before retrying the steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.